has been calling it as the proposed legislation as unconstitutional and accusing the Mamata Banerjee government of doing a drama. BJP asserting that a central law which already exists, which has provision for death penalty, then what is the purpose of bringing upon a new draft bill for rape convicts?
ममता बनर्जी ड्रामाबाजी कर रहे हैं और गैलरी शो कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये जो लेजिस्लेशन उन्होंने लाए हैं ये लेजिस्लेशन पूरी तरीके से असंवैधानिक है। तो ऑलरेडी न्याय संहिता के ऊपर न्याय संहिता है जो इम्प्लीमेंट भी हो चुका है और जिसमें डेथ सेंटेंस का भी प्रावधान है। तो ममता बनर्जी की ये जो उन्होंने लॉ लाए ये पूरी तरीके से ड्रामाबाजी है और इसको दिखाने के लिए हमारे विधायक लोगों ने समर्थन किया, लेकिन ये जाके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज होगा और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज होने के बाद ये कैंसिल।
ममता दीदी में संवेदना नहीं है। दीदी ने दबाव में बीभत्स घटना हुई है बेटी के साथ, उससे ध्यान भटकाने के लिए अब ये कानून लेकर आई है।
As far as the reactions that are coming in from the BJP side, of course, when it comes to in the assembly, as the opposition also given time to speak out as far as on this issue as far as the draft bill is concerned. But this is something as the opposition has been pointing out and seeking certain changes, certain amendments in the Aparajita bill. However, the government that has been highlighting it as a historic bill that has been taken up, and with its passage, if it becomes a law, it becomes implementation that will be when it comes to taking on as far as rape and murder convicts. However, it will overlap with the central laws, and as far as the legal road ahead, if we can talk about, this is the Aparajita bill that has been brought about proposing death penalties for rapists, but it also faces potential political and legal challenges ahead. The bill that seeks to impose death penalty for rape convicts whose actions lead to the victim's death or leave her in a vegetative state, while also introducing death as an alternative punishment for all categories of rape in the state-specific penal code as well. So the West Bengal legislation versus the existing law, the question that is now being raised by the opposition BJP. Mamata Banerjee in the assembly yesterday taking on the opposition as well. Listen in.
আগে নরেন্দ্র মোদীকে পদত্যাগ করতে বলুন, নরেন্দ্র মোদীর পদত্যাগ চাই, তার কারণ সারা দেশের উনি জাতীয় লজ্জা। আমরা স্যার অমানবিক ঘটনা নিয়ে ওরা রাজনীতি করে, বিচার চায় না। ভারতীয় ন্যায় সেই কারণেই দ্রুত বিচারের জন্য ভারতীয় ন্যায় সংহিতার কয়েকটি ধারায় সংশোধন করে আমরা ধর্ষণের ঘটনায় অপরাধে প্রমাণে সর্বোচ্চ মৃত্যুদণ্ডের সাজা প্রস্তাব করেছি।
So at this point, as far as seeking resignation of the chief minister, that has been the BJP. However, Mamata Banerjee is seeking the resignation of the prime minister directly. Adrija is with us right now. Adrija, West Bengal government citing it as a historic passage when it comes to